Hey Viaroom, help me. Alexander, what are you holding in your hand and how does it enable a truly smart home?
So you have here Viaroom Home. It is a self-learning smart home automation based on artificial intelligence. So the idea is that people who have at least a few connected objects in their homes, like a smart bulb or a door lock or this type of things, or hubs, an Alexa, Google Home, they just bring this home, set it up in 5 minutes. It starts learning automatically from your actions. Each time you switch on and off your lights, you set your heating, you close your door, things like that. And after those 2 days, it actually starts actively helping you on your daily routine. So that's pretty cool because you don't have to do anything. There is no coding, there is no configuration. It's very easy to set up for everybody. It is extremely intelligent thanks to the artificial intelligence, and we hope it's useful as well.
From a technology standpoint, what sort of standards do you have built into that box?
So the idea of Viaroom Home is to connect to your local network at home, to your local router through Ethernet or Wi-Fi. It has also Bluetooth 4.2 capabilities, but it relies on the other hubs that you may have at home, like Philips Hue, like Ostrom's, like Vera, like Fibaro's. Yeah.
Okay.
So we support a lot of hubs already for launch. So we see that people should not be locked in a particular ecosystem. So we help connecting to virtually any hub.
And one of the big powers to what you're doing here beyond the hardware, it's really this cloud and then artificial intelligence that powers it, right?
Absolutely. So at Viaroom we have designed both the hub and the cloud service. We have designed our framework for artificial intelligence for smart homes, and on top of that framework, the service itself. Yeah.
So from a economics perspective, it's pretty interesting because it's a one-time cost.
Absolutely. So it will be available end of January in Europe for €99, and in March for $99. Yeah.
$99 in the US.
Monthly fees. In US, there are no monthly fees.
So my question is, how can you kind of support yourself long term without a monthly subscription?
Well, I think what is really important is to that people start knowing about us, seeing, we start helping them, and it's going to be, I'm sure, a win-win situation.
Well, do you also see licensing some of your back-end intelligence, the artificial intelligence, to other entities as well, or?
No, not for now. No. Also, something very, very important: the family data, the family patterns. So your daily routine sits encrypted inside the box and not in the cloud. So that's extremely important for security. So the cloud works with the hub in order to enable this learning routine, but the schedule itself, the family schedule, sits on the box encrypted.
So from a monetization standpoint, you can't really come back and use that data. It sounds like it's with the customer themselves.
I think that customers are extremely cautious about security, so we really wanted to address that as well. We have other features as well, which are called firewall inside the box, which help bringing additional security to your home environment, IoT environment.
And I imagine since you're launching in Europe, you're a European company, you have much stricter privacy rules there than I'd say in the United States probably, right?
I think they're similar, pretty similar. But yes, it's fair to say that consumers in US and in Europe, and I think everywhere, they are extremely cautious, especially in smart home and IoT, about security. So that's definitely a path where we're investing and putting a lot of effort for the product now and in the future.
Excellent. Well, Alexander, I appreciate your taking time here.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.